ప్రసాద్ అడిగేటువంటి ప్రశ్నలకి సమాధానం చెప్పనున్నాడు. మరి ప్రశ్నలు అడుగుతున్న వారు రాధిక గారు.
వేరే ప్రోగ్రామ్ వాళ్ళన్నా
I'm studying PP1B section. My school name is KFC School.
Who is the present collector for Warangal district?
Tuition.
Who is the former collector for Warangal district?
Rahul Praja.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Manmohan Singh.
Who is the President of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
Who is the Finance Minister of India?
Malam.
Who is the Governor of Andhra Pradesh?
Narasimhan.
Who is the Home Minister of India?
Sushil Kumar Shinde.
Who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Kiran Kumar Reddy.
Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Jayalalitha.
Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Siddaramaiah.
Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat?
Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
Tripura Chauhan.
Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal?
Mamata Banerjee.
Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh?
Akhilesh Yadav.
Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan?
Vasundhara Raje.
Who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Tata Nehru.
Who is the TRS, Telangana Party President?
Jayashree.
Who is the Congress Party President?
Sonia Gandhi.
Who is the father of our nation?
M.K. Gandhi.
Who is the father of our constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Who is the Microsoft chairman?
Bill Gates.
Who is the captain of Indian cricket team?
M.S. Dhoni.
Who is the author of Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Which is the highest dam in India?
Bakadam.
Which is the longest river in India?
Ganga.
Which is the largest desert in India?
Kalagadam.
Which is the largest lake in India?
Chilkale.
Which is the highest waterfall in the world?
Angel.
Which is the highest award in India?
Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna.
Which is the longest beach in India?
Bangladesh Channel.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
What is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
Which is the smallest bird in the world?
Amoeba.
Which is the largest continent in the world?
Asia.
Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Which is the largest epic in the world?
Mahabharat Cricket.
Who invented bus?
Motorcycle.
Who invented aeroplane?
Ram Bharat.
Who invented telephone?
Dragon Boat.
Who WHO, IPS, IPS, IAS, IPC, ATM, AIR, oil, OIL, WWW, BSF,
సాయి దుర్గా ప్రసాద్ యొక్క అద్భుత ప్రతిభకు ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పండి కూడా మళ్ళీ
thank you.